Hi, my name is Chet Patel, and I'm VMware's Vice President of Global Telco Sales. I'm pleased to be joined today by Chet Patel, Chief Commercial Officer for BT Global. BT has a long, rich history of enabling some of the world's largest enterprises to grow and thrive with technology for the past several decades. Those enterprises are increasingly looking to BT to help them secure and connect their network, data, and digital assets while expanding their SaaS usage to support a global footprint. BT is no stranger to technological progression, and the company recently undertook a profound digital transformation. Chad, I wanted to speak to you today so we can give our audience a sense of how BT is addressing enterprise needs and how the company is working to anticipate customer demands.
Sure. Thank you, Kit. So BT is one of the world's leading telecommunications companies. What that means, though, now is that we are really focused on network and infrastructure, as well as cloud, collaboration, contact centers, and of course, security. And we serve some of the biggest multinational customers in the world, some of the biggest nation states in the world, and the list goes on. And our focus is providing a seamless service regardless of which country or city you're in. So, for example, we operate in over 180 countries with a workforce of 17,000 people. We work with some of the biggest companies in the world. 90% of all the biggest banks work with us. 90% of all the big luxury companies, insurance companies, SI companies. So big companies who are global and have got really complex digital infrastructure type requirements. And some of the things that we see as trends going forward is simplicity, because things are getting really, really complex with lots of digitization, and our customers are really focused on end user experience. What is the experience like for our people? And even more importantly, what's the experience like for our customers? Are they getting what they need? And is this technology flexible? Is it agile? And above all, is it reliable? So that's some of the trends that we see in the market, Kit.
Chet, thanks for that insight, and obviously tremendous demand coming from your customer base on some of these key topics. And speaking of customers, how is BT, along with your customers, how are you embracing the new digital technologies and what to expect from managed service providers?
Every company is going through a level of modernization, and they need to do this to address new changing opportunities, markets, demand, be more agile, create differentiated experiences for their end customers going forward. And that means innovating faster, deeper, with different and bigger ecosystems, to be honest, all on digital platforms. And one of the things that we've tried to do throughout the pandemic period is stay really, really close to our customers, continually understand their insights, how they're operating, where they want to go to, how things are working out, what partnerships they're forming, the behavioral aspects of their users and their customers. And we're sort of taking on all this insight and trying to co-innovate with our partners and vendors, such as VMware, to understand their future needs a bit more. And we've simplified the way that we work, the way that we go to market, how we measure NPS, and something we call the model office, which is all about standardizing how we work to drive efficiencies for our customers. And we've also increased the speed of our releases. So we operate like a software company now in terms of the releases of our products and updates, etc., going forward. And that's helped with the launch of products and services such as our new Eagle Eye platform, which proactively helps us predict and prevent cybersecurity attacks. And these managed services all need to come with a wrap. It's really important that we design them well, we deliver them well, and then we manage them in life. And then going forward, if customers' demand changes, we have a really strong change control process to help them evolve as they go forward as well, Kit.
It sounds like you're becoming more like a software company and maybe a little bit less like a traditional telco. Now, speaking of VMware, one of the questions, of course, we're very curious about is how working with VMware is helping BT unlock new opportunities around the globe.
Yes, and I'm going to take a little step backwards. In the next couple of years, probably about before 2023, there's going to be about 50 billion edge devices all connected to the internet across the world. And our job, working with VMware, is to create agile networks that can evolve at speed, scale, and cope with new, complex, and changing business environments. Whether customers are working from their corporate offices, whether they're working from home, whether they're working from third-party locations, regardless of which, we need to make sure that we guide customers to make the right choice. And that's why we've refreshed our portfolio, and we're looking at how we can create more cloud-native IT and solutions for our customers, making sure that we've pre-integrated, service assured them with our partners, and we provide the right expertise to give our customers the right experience. And together with VMware, we've created a market-leading technology, a world-class network portfolio, extensive infrastructure and experience to deliver flexible, agile, scalable, and secure networking capability for our customers. Basically, making us more dependable, more reliable, more agile, which is what they are looking for. So I'm really pleased with how the partnership's going, and I'm looking forward to investing in it even more to drive more sort of growth for us.
Well, that's fantastic, and certainly music to our ears. So unfortunately, that's all we have time for today. But Chet, I want to thank you again for making time to join us at the Telco Innovation Summit. A great discussion, and really do appreciate it.
The pleasure was all mine. Thank you, Kit.